Assalamu alaikum. I am Ruxana, teacher posted at Boys Middle School Langate. Today I am going to teach English to class 7th students. Our today's topic is tobacco, the silent killer. Students, in the previous lecture we have discussed about tobacco, its cultivation, its uses and components present in tobacco. So students, before moving to today's lecture, let us recapitulate some of the main points of the previous lecture. Students, what is tobacco? Yes, it is a plant, an agricultural plant that is cultivated for its leaves. It is used in different forms. It is consumed by either smoking or by chewing. Tobacco smoke Tobacco smoke contains over 4,000 chemicals, out of which 43 are carcinogenic. What are students? What are carcinogenic chemicals? Carcinogenic chemicals are those chemicals that cause cancer. And these carcinogenic chemicals include polycyclic hydrocarbons, aldehydes, aromatic amines, and many other chemicals. Tobacco smoke also contains carbon monoxide, which binds to hemoglobin and reduces its oxygen carrying capacity. The major component in tobacco smoke, however, is nicotine, which is highly addictive. Now, students, tell me, what are the uses of tobacco as you have learned in the previous lecture? Yes, nicotine present in it is used as an insecticide. It is also a valuable constituent of many vitamin preparations. Tobacco seed oil is also used as a substitute for groundnut oil. In past, tobacco was used as a sedative. Now moving to today's topic, we will today discuss about the harmful effects of tobacco. First, I will read it for you. Cancer and other diseases. It is a silent killer. Lung cancer is caused by the tar in tobacco smoke. People who smoke are 10 times more likely to die from lung cancer than non smokers. The mixture of nicotine and carbon monoxide in each cigarette smoke temporarily increases heart rate and blood pressure, which strains the heart and blood vessels. This can cause a heart attack and stroke. It slows the blood flow, cutting off oxygen to feet and hands. Some smokers end up having their limbs amputated. Carbon monoxide decreases the oxygen supply to the muscle and brain, making these organs stressed. Emphysema is an illness that slowly rots the lungs. People with emphysema often get bronchitis and suffer lung and heart diseases. Cigarette smoking during pregnancy increases the risk of low birth weight and even premature babies. Even passive smokers inhaling smoke because of proximity to a smoker also run the risk of developing many diseases in comparison to active smokers. People who smoke run a high risk of cancer. In Kashmir, people consume tobacco by inhaling smoke from the hookah, which in the native language is called jijir. There is lot of campaigning going around the world against smoking. The unfortunate reality is that many youngsters are getting addicted to this harmful habit, little knowing the cost that they shall pay they shall have to pay in the long run. Even cigarette packets have warning lines written on them. Smoking causes cancer. World Anti-Tobacco Day is celebrated on the 31st May every year to create an awareness. But in spite of that, people smoke and neglect their health. Quit smoking. Willpower and family support can help one. Now, students, we will read about the harmful effects of tobacco. I have written meaning of some of the difficult words on the diary. You can see them. What are the harmful effects of tobacco? Tobacco causes heart problems, it causes high blood pressure, it causes cancer and many other respiratory ailments. Lung cancer is caused by the tar in tobacco smoke. The mixture of nicotine and carbon monoxide in tobacco smoke temporarily increases heart rate and blood pressure, which strains the heart and blood vessels that can cause heart attack and stroke. It slows the blood flow, cutting off the oxygen supply to feet and hands. That is why some smokers end up having their limbs amputated. It also causes emphysema. What is emphysema? It is a disease which slowly rots lungs, which, which causes lung diseases and heart diseases. Cigarette smoking during pregnancy increases the risk of low birth weight and even premature babies. Even passive smokers run the risk of developing many diseases. What are passive smokers, students? Passive smokers are those person who doesn't smoke, but they inhale the smoke due to the closeness to the active smoker. There is a lot of campaign going around the world uh, against smoking. World Anti-Tobacco Day is celebrated on 31st May every year. Awareness programs are being held, counselings are being held. But in spite of all these efforts, in spite of campaigning, in spite of counseling, in spite of all the efforts made by people or government, many adolescents and youngsters are getting addicted to this harmful habit that costs their health and lives. In Kashmir, we consume tobacco by either smoking or by chewing or inhaling smoke from the hookah, which in the native language of Kashmir is called jijir. Students who should never smoke, or the ones who are smoking, they should quit smoking because it costs their life, it costs your lives, it costs your health.